Hey you, check out my new grill. Yes, I got another grill. I can't wait to talk about the new Pit Boss Sierra 3-burner griddle. This model is exclusive at Walmart. I've got the link in my description below. If you're familiar with the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle, it's the same model, but with 3 burners and a little bit more affordable since it's at Walmart. Let me show you the bells and whistles.
Here we have this newer technology again from Pit Boss, this non-stick ceramic coating on the cooking surface. Despite being non-stick, it still provides a great sear, but there's one catch.
You want to use silicone only tools on this cooktop. Anything metal is going to scratch, anything nylon is probably going to melt. I might be telling you from experience. Obviously, we can't forget about this awesome copper top lid. When you're grilling on here, you could close it up and steam whether it's vegetables, fish, or any other types of foods.
Something that's different with this grill is that the grease trap's in the front. There's a little hole you can scrape everything in there, pull out the bucket, and clean that easily. This is an easy griddle to get started. You just turn the gas on, hit the igniter, and then these 3 burners evenly distribute heat across the entire griddle, minimizing the chance of any hot spots or cold spots. Another cool feature is the trash bag holder on the shelf. I mean, come on. This is so important, especially when you're making smash burgers. Don't forget the paper towel holder. That's important too, thankfully right next to the trash.
And of course, you can't forget the beer. Good thing I got this paper towel. One thing I admit, I'm a tall guy, so bending down sometimes gets tiring. I could put it up on the counter behind me. Check this out. You just have to bend down the shelves, unclip the sides, and then you can take it with you to go.
I have to say, I'm actually surprised at how mobile this cart is. There's huge wheels in the back, 2 locking swivels in the front. This thing moves around so easily.
I can't wait to get cooking. Drop a comment below and let me know what you'd cook on this first. Cheers, see you next time.